The Harlem Valley Psychiatric Center opened in 1924 as the Harlem Valley State Hospital. Like most other hospital facilities of its type, it was designed to be quite self-sufficient. The nearly 900-acre property contained a power plant, dairy farm with ice cream parlor, bakery, bowling alley, a stained glass chapel, a cemetery, and more. Much of it was connected by tunnels, a design feature common to many campus-style hospital complexes. There was even a golf course, designed by golfer and course designer Donald Ross in 1928, that was used by the doctors for recreation. It is said that the doctors would sometimes ask well-behaved patients to serve as caddies. With 5,000 employees, and an equal number of patients, and 80 buildings scattered throughout the property, the Harlem Valley Psychiatric Center was very much like a small town, apart from the fact that it was actively experimenting with and using new psychological therapies including lobotomy and electroshock therapy.